Kicking off at number 10, we delve into the Festa del Mare. An age-old tradition, this parade commemorates the tribute paid by 12 of the poorest families in return for a dowry sponsored by the Doge. Today, it is a grand procession of beautifully dressed women, embodying the spirit of Venice's history. Next, at number 9, we have the Flight of the Angel. This breathtaking spectacle sees a young woman, the Angel, zip-line from the top of St. Mark's Campanile down to the square below, signifying the start of the carnival. At number 8, we find the Great Gala of Venice, a high point of the carnival. This grand dinner and dance embody the opulence and grandeur of Venice's golden age, transporting attendees to a world of elegance and sophistication. Number 7 brings us to the Best Masked Costume Competition. A highlight of the carnival, this competition sees participants don extravagant costumes and masks, vying for the coveted title of Best Dressed. Coming in at number 6 is the Festa Veneziana on the water. A parade of decorated boats and gondolas, it's a spectacle that transforms the Grand Canal into a waterway of lights and colors. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5, we discover the Feast of the Bull. This historical reenactment commemorates the victory of Doge Michiel over the Patriarch Ulrich. It showcases a grand parade, followed by a symbolic bull and 12 piglets sacrifice. At number 4, we have the Flight of the Eagle. Much like the Flight of the Angel, a celebrity or an acrobat descends from the bell tower to the square. Both events are a testament to the carnival's love for theatrics. Number 3 brings us to the Luminaria. This nighttime spectacle sees Venice's streets and canals illuminated with thousands of candles, creating a dreamy and magical atmosphere. At the second spot, we find the Storico Parade. This grand procession showcases the historical and cultural richness of Venice, with participants dressed in period costumes, representing different epochs of the city's history. And finally, at the coveted number 1 spot, we have the Grand Finale. The culmination of the carnival, this grand event is a mix of fireworks, music, and parades, marking the end of the festivities with a bang. From the grandeur of the Great Gala to the enchanting Luminaria, from the historical reenactments to the dazzling parades, the Venice Carnival offers a feast for the senses. Each attraction, steeped in history and tradition, paints a vivid picture of Venice's cultural richness and spirit of celebration. One thing is certain: a visit to the Venice Carnival is an unforgettable journey into the heart of Italian grandeur and spectacle. To keep up with more exciting travel adventures around the world, remember to subscribe to the channel. Until our next journey together, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep traveling.